Hello gorgeous patrons,
Hi guys.
coming to you from Port Vila in Vanuatu. We have got a spot of trouble which some of you may have heard about already. Our main movie storage hard drive has gone on the blink and it is holding all of our footage hostage.
And we can't fix it.
Yeah, we can't
Even
fix
I
it.
can't fix it.
Even McDazzle can't McDazzle it. Which is amazing, you McDazzle everything.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so we, obviously no one in Vila has a hard drive as sophisticated as the one that we have. And we're on to WD and trying to figure out with them what a solution. But at this point in time, we have zero footage to bring to you. 6 months of our beautiful footage and our amazing experiences is trapped on that little hard drive down there. Anyway, we have a plan. We've been conjuring it up and we would like to hear from you. We're going to do a patron only Q&A. And so drop us your questions, people. Whatever it is you want to know, ask us and we shall answer it. It might come in the form of a Q&A or it might come in the form, we might wind it into some videos. What's happening for us right now, we're in a really full-on busy phase. We are just about to check out of Vanuatu, head to Newcastle, check in, check out, and then do a dash down to New Zealand. So we have got to make 2 videos for you because we're going to be out of contact for 2 to 3 weeks. And so yeah, we will unfortunately miss a video week. But I'm afraid there's nothing we can do about that. We're just trying to do our very best to get it sorted and get some footage and some learning and some inspiration out to you guys as soon as we can. So hang with us and shoot us your questions. Drop them in the comments below or in the question of the Patron backend thingy that I'm going to post it to you in magically. This is a Patron only Q&A, so yeah, get your questions out there. It's all for you guys. So yeah.
Anyway, we've got some amazing stuff coming up that's trapped in that little hard drive.
Oh man, we have been to the most incredible places and seen the coolest things and had the most humbling and heartwarming experiences, haven't we, babe?
Oh yeah, it's amazing.
We have hung out with chiefs, we have swum with dugongs, we've climbed volcanoes, we have swum past a few tanks and some cannons. We've hung out with a village that is on a little island that doesn't get any contact with the outside world, haven't we? We've learned traditional hunting and fishing techniques. We have we've just seen the most beautiful scenery. We've had some full-on sailing and we have got just the most incredible stories to share with you. We are so excited about this phase and pray for our hard drive, people.
Otherwise we're going to have to do it all over again.
Yeah, that's true. If we fail on it and the hard drive is a goompa, we'll just have to come back.
Yeah, it's a great country.
It is a great country, and I can say 100% to you, if you were ever thinking of coming to Vanuatu for a holiday, this is just a supremo place. You know, get out into the islands and step out of the resorts, even though the resorts are pretty cool actually. Just have some hands-on experiences because the people here are the most happy and generous and sort of full of fun and thoughtful, aware people that we have ever come across.
Yeah, it's terrific. Absolutely terrific.
Yeah, out there, right? So we really hope that we can bring these experiences to you. And if we can't, we'll just come back and do it all over again. So yeah, we've got to go. We are really pushing for time. Sorry we can't talk for longer. Oh yes, as to live chats, the bandwidth here is appalling and we haven't been able to do any live chats. We will be doing live chats when we get down to New Zealand. So look forward to meeting you all in those live chats in about a month or so when we get it sorted. So
anyway, keep an eye on the yacht tracker.
Keep an eye on the yacht tracker, guys.
You'll see where we are.
yeah. And drop us your questions. Please drop us your questions so we can get an episode or 2 out to you before we depart. Love you all. Thank you so much. And hang in there.
See you guys.
Mwah.